Okay, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the iSDT A4 smart charger, and this is kind of a slimmed down version of the C4 smart charger that I reviewed a few weeks ago, and that one could actually charge more batteries than this one. This one does AA, AAA, 10 500 and 12 500 size batteries of these barrel type batteries. Charges via USB here, and let's go. I think there's some specs here in the back. Input power of 5 to 9 volts at 1.5 amps, max power of 10 watts, and then it does charge all of these different types of battery chemistries: nickel metal hydride, NiCad, lithium ion, and LiPo. Okay, so not a whole lot of stuff you get here in the box. Obviously, you get the charger itself. They do include a micro USB cable, so you can plug this to a variety of things like a smartphone charger or like a power bank or a computer, for example. It doesn't come with the actual power brick itself, so that's something you have to provide on your own. And here's a quick look at the manual. English on one side, Chinese on the other side. Here's a look at the charger itself. Power goes in here via micro USB cable, obviously AAA batteries and AA batteries with a positive down at the bottom here. And we'll go plug in some batteries here and see what that looks like. So I'm going to be using this power bank here to power up the charger. Okay, so when you plug this in, you get some lights showing that it's been turned on. And let's put a battery in. And you can see I'm charging up this AAA battery, and you get a little yellow blinking light. So here in the instructions, it does indicate what the LEDs are. In this case, because it's an orange light, it's a nickel metal hydride battery, and it's that's what it indicates as a normal charge. Full charge here is the light's always on, and then there's these indicators: red light for an abnormal charge, and some other things. So you can read that in the manual later if you have any issues. And yeah, I'm plugging in a AA battery, and it obviously will charge both of them at the same time. I'm pretty sure that what happens is whatever amperage is coming out of your power source, I think this one is outputting 1 amp, it'll get distributed over the 4 batteries. So if you're charging 4 batteries over the single source, it's probably going to charge at a slower rate than if you're just charging 1 or 2 batteries. So it's probably something you ought to keep in mind. And then I think when this is finally done, the lights will turn solid, so you know that the charge is completed. Now, as I mentioned before, it does charge the other lithium ion type batteries. I think that's the 10 500 and 12 500 size. I think that's basically a similar size to these here. They're barrel type lithium ion batteries. Kind of smaller, obviously not like 18650 is going to be much larger. That's not going to fit in here. 18500 battery might fit in here. I think for those of you guys who are looking at the FreeSky X-Lite transmitter, I haven't had that yet, haven't gotten that yet, and I haven't gotten those batteries yet, so I might give that a try later. Because if a 10 500 or 12 500 fits in here, that means that the 500 size, which is the height, will fit inside this here, so it might work if you want to just charge 2 of them. This might be a viable option. I think it's only like $13, which is a pretty good deal. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. We'll wrap this one up here. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.